Alright, so what's good, YouTube? We about to see what's going on in the markets today. We're gonna start from the top down 4 hour. Matter of fact, 24 hour. Pushing into this daily SIBI. I like that for potentiality of shorts. 4 hour, yup. Barely has a wick. This is Monday's 10 a.m. candle. Distribution candle. Okay. Yeah, I'm short. Could be quite nasty. I'm not gonna lie. Trying to get a short in this shit. The reason I say that, oh nah, we should be good. Oh yeah. I like that. Daily fair value gap. Daily SIBI. 4 hour SIBI. 2-stage SMT. Let's see what 930 give us. Usually one end of this CPI candle. I think this is CPI. I don't know. I said I'm gonna sleep through it. I slept through it. Usually one end gets ran out, and then we'll go ahead and run to the other one. But I do like how we've already came to the consequent. We haven't even came to the consequent encroachment of this one in Q. I would want to see that. I would kind of want to see this high get ran out. If I didn't, I would enter here, stop above here, and I would take it all the way down here. But we're gonna see what happens. It's kind of cold out here today. Where the sun at? Pull up my other account on my phone. Alright. Now I'm gonna wait until one side gets taken out. I could go like this, But I'm so used to seeing one side get snatched up here that I'm not really sure if I want to do that. This is what, 8:30? Oh yeah, London low here. This would be a more probable sell-off if one side could get snatched up. Yes, going forward. Also, typically it leaves a volume imbalance somewhere within here. Counter just flipped, and it did indeed leave a volume imbalance. You know what? I'm gonna make my first entry this. If we run it, that's all right. Because the next time I shoot at it, I'm gonna have some. But I think it's a good chance that we move here. And we're not gonna do that shit either. You're gonna tap me in. This would be the easiest target right here. The south side that came around CPI release. That would be the easiest target. And this I don't mind. Preferably, I would want to see. Hey, come here. Preferably, I want to see the consequent encroachment of this wick at minimum. I also want to see if this can get ran. But I am entering right now under the potentiality that it may not get ran. Volume dumping. Interesting. Get rid of that ugly ass field. I think we're doing a dump soon. We're either going to dump after this. We're either going to dump here, or we're going to take this high and then dump. But I do see the potentiality to dump here. And it's becoming more and more apparent as the candles print. Let's go full screen. On my phone with it. Just marking up easy TPs. Let's see something. Yeah, we could push up there. Second news release. 10 a.m. distribution candle. This will be the easiest target because this is where CPI released and left the volume imbalance. But I believe this would only be like a 1 or 2. Yeah, 1 or 2. Which is solid, you feel me? That's definitely solid. I'll most likely take half the position off. I'm gonna manage it, see how it go. But what I would want to do is take half the position off. That would be nice for the account. Go break even, and let the rest run to the full London low. Damn, brain farts everywhere today. Yeah, yesterday I wanted to record. And as a matter of fact, I did record. It was just a screen recording, though, which would have been boring to watch. But my software wasn't working. I think it was because I wasn't home. I was using my hotspot, so maybe it wasn't feeding it enough data for it to operate correctly. I don't know. Why are my charts unequal like this? I'm not feeling that. What's going on? Ten, 8, 10. That should be what NQ is too. Yeah, that's weird. And why does this not have a... Okay, makes sense. Yo, this thing is gonna dump, bro. They're kind of moving back in sync now. If patience is the reason why I lose before I win again today, I'm going to be kind of mad at myself. Because patience was the reason I lost yesterday as well. Today I thought I was practicing patience, and I was practicing patience by skipping out on CPI. This retracement was inevitable. And the fact that CPI didn't even wick down, you could have caught this from London, or you could have caught this right before. Make it seem like it's a good trade. Consolidation until 9:30. That was me being patient, bro. Waiting until 9:30 to touch these charts. So if 9:30 wasn't even the move, then I would have to wait till 8:30 highs get ran, which I'd be already knowing. I'm gonna be kind of mad at myself because that's gonna be 2 days where I found another way to be patient. Stay. But when this thing falls, I know it's going to collapse. How long to the 15-minute close? Yeah, I can see this next 15-minute candle just dumping. I'm just curious as to if this is going to hold up or not. Which, I'm not gonna lie, it most likely won't. It didn't put in no important SMT. This didn't. 930 did. 930 set up a retracement higher. Either way, we'll be alright. This is on a Paypex account. I'm not one of them. Gotta make sure I got my executions on. This is a part of like me showing y'all that it can be done, but it can only be done with discipline. Like, I'm about to start passing these accounts left and right. And it's because I've kind of found my groove with discipline and in my strategy. I've stopped aiming for large feats and started taking it easy money on, bro. We're probably going to have some trouble getting below here. Because it looks like ES is going to run and take out these lows first. But this is all low resistance sell side liquidity. We should get below here. We just may have a little bit of trouble. NQ is going to tank. Damn, I was about to spit game. I completely forgot what I was saying. Damn. Oh shit, my fault, y'all. So look, me having these executions on is just a part of me showing you, like, look, this is exactly what I'm doing, and I'm not doing anything that's outside of your field of view. I'm showing this to you every single day. From the time that I open my laptop to the time that I close it. I'm doing everything, pressing these buttons with y'all being able to see what I'm doing. I'm not even analyzing the chart before I press record. So, it's to show y'all. This is how you manage your emotions. This is how you manage the trade. This is what you do. This is how you enter. This is how you everything, bro. This is when to walk away. Because if it works for me, then it'll work for y'all. It's just a blueprint. It's just a formula. Once I passed my Top Step account, and I had that Top Step account for a month, which is the longest I've ever... Wait a minute. You know something? This could support bullish narrative, but I would be surprised if it did. But this could cause us to retrace a little bit higher and for this to get taken out. So we do have to be wary now. When I had my Top Step, I had it longer than I've had any other funded account. I had that funded account for 30 days. And with that funded account, I was kind of just learning how to manage manage my emotions and come up with a system. I went into that account thinking I was going to get a payout, but I didn't. I was close. I had like three, four $200 days. I only needed like one or two more, but I didn't end up getting it. And that's when it clicked, bro. Like, yeah, my directional buys be cooking. Like, I can gauge order flow. Um, like I said before, at least 5 out of 10 times. Once I could do that, then I just need a system in place to where I can take profits and I can extract money from the markets. And that's the system that you see me having. This right here, 1 to 5, this is a little bit of a long shot. And I want to make sure that I don't fall into greed today. So I am going to take a partial here and semi stop at break even and let it run. But this will be an extremely big day if this full TP hit. But I'm not worried about that because it's about the system, bro. I lost that account and I realized the Top Step account that I had for a month, it was bouncing in and out of profits. Some days I wouldn't be disciplined on it. Other days I would. It was more so just a learning experience, bro. And me having the experience of saying, yo, look, tighten up because you're right here. Like, you already paid the activation fee. You only need two more $200 days. You're right here. And I couldn't save the account even after I had tightened up. But what I had learned about it was I can actually do this. If I held an account this long while being undisciplined some days, then that obviously means that I was winning a decent amount of trades. I was trading with one micro as well, so I would have winning days that weren't even 200. But yeah, after I lost that account, I realized system. Doyle has a system. Takes 1 to 1s, or 1 to 2s, whatever. Takes profit. And he's going, bro. He's going after that. He doesn't care about what the rest of the move does. And ever since I started doing that, I've been cooking. The way that I trade as well, my timing can be off, but my direction is going to be right a lot of the times. Most of the time. So I allow myself a second trade. I allow myself to mess up, even if that costs me more capital in the long run. If it does cost me more capital in the long run, then I'll adjust that rule. But to be honest with y'all, I think that it's saving me capital in the long run. Let's watch this shit fall. Alright, so ES is already far below here. We gotta pay attention to what YM is doing because we got caught lacking by YM the one day. YM is already taking this low, which is not a good look for us. But I ain't really too worried about YM. I'm worried about ES. YM could do what it do. It's kind of unsynced right now. Not in correlation for real. But it doing this signals bullish behavior. It definitely signals bullish behavior. So at this point, I'm going to be careful about. I'm just going to be a little bit more aggressive in protecting my position. It's 950. Hey, did I just see what I thought I saw? What the fuck is that? I guess that's good. Good for us. I mean, let's check the 5 minute. Yeah, it's looking pretty good for us, but I ain't. That was a random ass spike of volatility. I'm hoping manual intervention doesn't have to step in here. Yo, I think I'm getting sick again, y'all. Shit, trash, bro. Yeah, wicks are gaps, so it's gotta be filled. It's so wild that like this is a 1-on-1, and it's like 300 ticks, bro. Damn, bro. YM going down like that, kind of fucking up our day right now. What's up, man? Watch out. Go sit down. Go sit down, fat dog. Once we get here, I'll secure one con. That'll be good for the account. Yo, 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 yo. me see some. I don't think we're coming back up here, but I'm gonna take my partial and be safe. I just want to know if I'm gonna get it where I wanted it at. Let's see. So if everybody get up there, see how we react to it. Or if we use it as an inversion. I'll take the 1-to-1 here. Alright. Then you said you made steak. Nigga, that was banquet. Salisbury steak. Alright. So this is gonna be my running position. Count is in decent standings. Let's see how much. Okay, so we close with a cool 160 for the day, which is good, bro. I'm not on this account trying to, you feel me, as ICT says, perform Olympic feats. Bro, I'm just trying to make some money. Like, I probably make at work every day. Let's see. I'm about to tell y'all. $144 per work day I work. Whether this hits break even, okay, let's just say this hits break even, I'm still gonna be making more than that on this Apex account. So that's what it's about for me, actually getting paid for the day. Had I taken both contracts off, it would be a $400 day, which is still a great day. But I'm not really doing this for the money. If y'all can't tell, like, I'm doing this for the sport. This is a tough day though, I ain't gonna lie. Because you got shit like this happening. You got shit like this happening. And NASDAQ is resisting with all its might bearishness. It wants to be bullish. YM is sinking, which is making NQ want to be more bullish. But we are going to hold on to this. So I do believe we can at least come to this right here. Just still fire, bro. But this is the real target for NQ and ES. ES is most likely going to hit it first, though. Obviously. That's beautiful. Now this should probably continue running. I would have loved to take my partial here, but it's all right. was impatient and I just wanted to secure something. So, not the worst kind of impatience. Would you look at this? This gives me even more conviction that we're gonna dump. I think catching a 1 to 3 is solid for the day. I'm not about to sit around and wait all day for this to get hit. I take this target here. At least on the account that I'm live trading. We do have potential to flip bullish here as well. Now that I'm thinking about it, you have this steep SMT plus this candle here. I better watch this on the lower time frames. The only thing holding us back is this wick. I don't really want to close this position here, but might fucking around have to. 80 ticks, that's like 20 points. So $40, not even worth it. I would rather let it stop me. But if it stopped me, I would be kind of tight because I do think that we're going to continue lower, but I can't ignore the potentiality of flipping bullish now, especially after looking at this 15-minute candle. A lot of noise happening. Now we are at about consequent encroachment of that wick. See how we react to it, the type of respect we give. See what happens here. This looks like a possible turning point right here. Possible turning point. Damn, bro. YM is the reason why we're moving like this. Because YM already took previous day low. Or the low that we were targeting. I'm not even sure what it was. I'll have to go check. But YM is already taking it. Yeah. Alright, whatever, bro. It's still a W day. We got a baby W, and actually I would have made more on this account than I did at work. I'm tempted to try again. That was one trade for me, but I'm not really liking how YM has already went down there and took our target, as well as how ES has already went below this low one, and Q hasn't. So on this account, not really willing to put shit back on the line. However, on my other account, I'm still in the trade because it's eval. On the eval, I'm gonna let it cook. Yeah, I'm gonna let the eval cook, and we're gonna be back in a little bit, y'all. I'll pause it. Be right back. All right, y'all boys. So this is a 5-minute chart. You see, we're finally starting to drop. We've been waiting a long time, and I'm not gonna wait. I feel like if we're gonna run and take this low, we should do it pretty fast. But I'm not gonna sit around and wait. If y'all want to see if this trade hits full TP, follow me on Instagram at ZcTradez, same as my YouTube. Post my trades every day, whether I win or I lose. I even started a highlight on my actual profile for the days that I lose. It's only one day up there. There might be 2 trades up there. But our P&L been green for the past week or 2. So, yeah. Wish I could have caught this on the live account, but it's all right. We focus on taking good trades. The money's going to come through doing that. This is the eval account. So even if we knock off one of these TPs, set our stop at break even, and let it run, this will be pretty nice to catch on the eval account. We'll probably end up passing it later this week or next week and adding this onto the Paypex accounts. So the goal is to have 5 currently. 5, I'll have $200 days, like today, for an example, with $200 day. With 5 of those accounts, that's $1,000 a day, which is about 9 shifts of me working, and that's how I'm seeing it. I'm trying to buy my time back. So if I'm able to do that, there's no if I'm able to do that. I know I'm able to do that. Once I'm able to do that, I'll begin to invest in my own accounts, and it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. The goal is to have 20 of those Apex accounts. But the first goal is 5, then 10. And the goal ideally is $300 to $400 days, not really $200 days. $400 or $500 days. And that would change my life relatively quickly. So yeah, like I always say, YouTube, tighten up. Go follow me on the gram. This trade will most likely hit CP. If it doesn't, this is still a green day, and we didn't lose a trade. This is our first trade, so super green day for us. So tighten up. I'm gonna get with y'all boys on the next one. Peace.